Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see some important questions about the topic computer hardware. Question number 1. The brain of computer is? Answer: CPU, Central Processing Unit. Question number 2. The full form of RAM is? Answer: Random Access Memory. Question number 3. Who discovered floppy disk? Answer: Alan Sugarth. Question number 4. Who built India's first microprocessor? Answer: Shakti. Question number 5. Full form of VGA? Answer: Video Graphics Array. Question number 6. Who is known as the inventor of computer mouse? Answer: Douglas Angel Barth. Question number 7. Computer hard disk was first introduced in 1956 by? Answer: IBM. Question number 8. What is the name of the printed circuit board? Answer: motherboard. Question number 9. SMPS stands for? Answer: Switched Mode Power Supply. Question number 10. Modem is used for? Answer: Modulation and demodulation. Question number 11. Which device contains a cathode ray tube? Answer: monitor. Question number 12. The cache memory work between? Answer: CPU and RAM. Question number 13. DVD stands for? Answer: Digital Versatile Disc. Question number 14. Full form of NIC? Answer: Network Interface Card. Question number 15. LCD stands for? Answer: Liquid Crystal Display. Question number 16. Total number of pins in a traditional parallel port? Answer: 25. Question number 17. Who is known as the father of supercomputing? Answer: C.O. Gray. Question number 18. Full form of HDD? Answer: Hard disk drive. Question number 19. Full form of AGP? Answer: Accelerated Graphics Port. Question number 20. Who developed integrated chip? Answer: J.S. Kilpie. Question number 21. The another name of the hard disk drive? Answer: SSD. Question number 22. How many pins does Ethernet use in the RJ45 connection? Answer: 4 pins. Question number 23. A Winchester disk is a dash? Answer: disk stack. Question number 24. An example of an embedded system is? Answer: a calculator. Question number 25. The resolution of a monitor is measured in? Answer: dots per inch. Question number 26. ROM is a kind of? Answer: magnetic disk. Question number 27. BIOS stands for? Answer: Basic Input Output System. Question number 28. QWERTY is used in? Answer: keyboard. Question number 29. Physical structure of computer is called? Answer: hardware. Question number 30. The CPU and memory are located on the dash? Answer: motherboard. Question number 31. MICR stands for? Answer: Magnetic Ink Character Reader. Question number 32. The device is used to read magnetic stripes? Answer: Magnetic Stripe Reader. Question number 33. What is TFT stands for? Answer: Thin Film Transistor. Question number 34. What is the full form of SRS? Answer: speech recognition system. Question number 35. A device which converts handwriting to computer input is called. Answer: digital tablet. Question number 36. Monitor connected to a computer using dash port. Answer: VGA port. Question number 37. Daisy wheel printer is a type of dash. Answer: impact printer. Question number 38. A silicon piece with a circuit on it is called. Answer: chip. Question number 39. The device used to provide hard copy is the dash. Answer: printer. Question number 40. Which is known as the point and draw device? Answer: mouse. Question number 41. Which memory is known as volatile memory? Answer: random access memory. Question number 42. What is the purpose of the wheel placed between the left and right buttons of a mouse? Answer: scrolling. Question number 43. Laser printer is a kind of dash. Answer: page printer. Question number 44. The first supercomputer in India is dash. Answer: Param 8000. Question number 45. Which operations are performed by RAM? Answer: read and write. Question number 46. What is the full form of CMOS? Answer: complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Question number 47. In computer system, scanner is dash device. Answer: input device. Question number 48. Speed of laser printer is measured in. Answer: ppm, pages per minute. Question number 49. Palm top computer is also known as. Answer: handheld computer. Question number 50. A desktop computer is also known as. Answer: PC, personal computer. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.